Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about Proverbs, their wisdom to live by. Proverbs, I had a professor call them mostly true truisms, meaning they are statements that are often true in most situations. So in the book of Proverbs in the Bible, King Solomon explains the purpose of the book right away in chapter 1. He says Proverbs are intended to make us wise. Listen to his own words in Proverbs chapter 1, verses 1 and 2. It says this. It says, "These are the Proverbs of Solomon, David's son, king of Israel. Their purpose is to teach people wisdom and discipline, to help them understand the insights of the wise." So King Solomon, he's going to go on in chapter 1 to talk about understanding and application. Get this, Pastor Tony Evans, in his commentary, he describes the wisdom of biblical Proverbs as this. He says, and I quote, "the ability to take God's perspective and turn it into functional application." He says it's spiritual understanding that's applied to earthly living. He says it's the God-given ability to make good decisions, I end quote. Man, doesn't that sound good and helpful? Don't you want to make good decisions, helpful decisions, wise decisions in your life? I know that I do. Well, in Proverbs 1, it ends like this. In Proverbs verse 7, chapter 1, it says this. It says, "Fear of the Lord is the foundation of true knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and discipline." So King Solomon, he's reminding us that God is to be honored. He's to be taken seriously. He's to be put first place in our lives. And through this relationship with God, information can then be transformed into wisdom. And he says, but watch out. Fools despise wisdom and instruction. So today, do you want to learn more about God's perspective? Do you want wisdom and instruction that is true, that is good, that is helpful? If so, remember this, God gave us the book of Proverbs to be helpful to our real lives. He made it to be helpful to his people so they can gain wisdom, they can gain instruction, they can gain understanding. And as we remember God, as we stay in relationship with him, he will start to transform all that information into wisdom with his guidance. So let's explore Proverbs in the Bible together. And as we do, we'll grow in wisdom. We'll see you next time.